How to write a press release. A step-by-step guide to crafting an effective PR strategy. Learn how to write a press release that catches the attention of journalists, creates buzz, and effectively communicates your message to your target audience. Press releases are a powerful tool in the world of enabling businesses to communicate important news to the media and their target audience. But how do you write a press release that gets noticed in a sea of competing stories? In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to crafting an effective press release, from developing your angle to formatting and distributing your release. Headings. Determine your angle. Craft a compelling headline and subhead. Write your press release. Edit and proofread your press release. Format your press release. Distribute your press release. Subheadings. Determine your angle. Define your objective. Identify your target audience. Research your topic. Develop your key message. Craft a compelling headline and subhead. Use strong, active language. Keep it short and sweet. Highlight your key message. Make it relevant. Write your press release. Start with a strong lead. Follow with the body of your release. Include relevant quotes and statistics. End with a strong conclusion. Edit and proofread your press release. Check for errors and typos. Eliminate jargon and excessive language. Make sure your release is newsworthy. Get feedback from others. Format your press release. Use a standard press release format. Include your contact information. Add a dateline and release date. Use appropriate headings and subheadings. Distribute your press release. Consider your target audience. Use a reputable distribution service. Customize your distribution list. Follow up with journalists. Bullet points. Your press release should have a clear objective and target audience. Research your topic and develop your key message before writing your release. Craft a compelling headline and subhead that highlights your key message and relevance. Use a standard press release format and include your contact information, dateline, and release date. Distribute your release through a reputable distribution service and follow up with journalists. Frequently asked questions about writing a press release. Q. What is the purpose of a press release? A. The purpose of a press release is to communicate important news to the media and your target audience. Q. How do I determine my angle for a press release? A. To determine your angle, define your objective, identify your target audience, research your topic, and develop your key message. Q. How long should a press release be? A. A press release should be concise and to the point, typically between 300 to 500 words. Conclusion. Crafting an effective press release takes time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. By following these steps, you can create a press release that catches the attention of journalists, creates buzz, and effectively communicates your message to your target audience. Remember to always focus on your key message, make it relevant, and use a standard press release format for best results. Are you struggling to write a professional press release or create an engaging explainer video for your business? Look no further than emwnews.com. Our team of expert writers and video producers will work with you to craft a compelling press release that gets your message across to your target audience, and produce a complete explainer video that engages and informs your customers. Don't let a lack of time or expertise hold you back from achieving your PR goals. Contact us today and let emwnews.com help you take your business to the next level.